VC, and this is called. So I'll be highlighting on the withdrawal, the claiming of call. Thank you if you are a returning viewer, and thank you if you are a first time viewer. I give it up for you. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to the video and like this video. Now all you have to do if you want to withdraw your call is first head out to personal settings. For those that have not withdrawn their call before, they have not claimed, you have to choose your country. Mine is automatically chosen. I've chosen mine before, and you can see cannot be notified after choose. So you have to choose while make sure it's a country. After choosing, you have to set your asset password. Your old asset password have to be your login password to the core app, then Satoshi app. Then your new asset password have to be an asset password which you will input for you to be able to withdraw your call to MetaMask. And after all those process, you just have to click on the wallet, the assets here. Then you can see mine is showing 0 and status completed. For those that have not completed theirs, all you have to do is click on link wallet address. Normally when you click on it, it's supposed to take you to the next page of where you input your MetaMask address wallet, your wallet, a MetaMask wallet address rather, and your asset password. Then click confirm. After confirm, it take you to a page for you to do a facial verification. Turn to the left, turn your head slowly to the left, turn your head slowly to the right, raise your head up slowly, open your mouth, wink and all those stuff. So after completing, if it shows verified, that means your data has been sent to call. And for those that have not withdraw before, on the 20th of March is the next withdraw date. It's supposed to be on the 15th, but considering those that have not withdrawn, they moved it back. So it's going to be 3 rounds of withdrawal. First was February 8th, second is going to be March 20th, then third will be, which is the last withdrawal, May 15th. Now after doing all this, and if it shows status completed for those that have claimed that have withdrawn their call from Satoshi app and have not been able to claim, all you have to do is go to your MetaMask wallet. The link, the MetaMask address that you copied here, you just touch MetaMask. Let's wait for it to open. So many people thought core is not going to be worth anything. Some so call it scam project, and I've got like I got worried, I got tired. I was I was like, this thing is not going to worth anything. Then I saw people that were walking. I saw people that had a lot. And me, I started referring like, though late, but I got a lot too. Altogether, I initially when I joined November 2021, I just referred someone, my colleague at my workplace. They referred another friend. I'm still at my workplace. Then I just relaxed and I was just smiling with them, giving them updates on how to claim ash and some of the videos I was making too. But I saw people having 100 referrals. Then I jumped, I swift into work. I started referring, though it was already getting late. But the people I referred, I was building a team, and those teammates helped to build my core going up. So whatever you're doing, you have to have a team. Yeah, that's right. You have to have a team. Build a team, and you see your earnings growing. Now after the core opens, the MetaMask opens, you have to go to browser. You have to claim core from the browser. Once you withdraw your core from the app, it automatically goes to a website. Then now you see this is the website address, calldao.org. Once it opens, you click on airdrop at the top right corner. You see the airdrop there. Once you click on it, to show it will address, it will show you. So you click confirm. Then the next page will be the wallet you're using. OKS has also been added. Initially it was only MetaMask. So if you have an OKS address, an OKS wallet address, you can as well use it. But I prefer using MetaMask because that was where we started from. Now once this is my wallet address, and this was where my call was withdrawn to. So for those that have not withdrawn before, you see that claim button, it will be highlighted. This is the next day I can withdraw, March 11th. So Thank you for watching. This is just the steps you need to follow. For those that have not withdraw, you can do this now and claim. Then the next time you can withdraw will be highlighted here. Thank you for watching. Thank you for viewing. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you.